Hello viewers. I would be glad if you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can watch our prestige videos. Kindly leave a comment if you find this video helpful. Stay tuned and enjoy. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 is a luxury sedan produced by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz under its Maybach brand. I don't have access to real-time pricing information or production details beyond my training cutoff date, which is September 2021. However, I can provide you with an overview of the car's features and specifications based on the available information at that time. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 is expected to be powered by a V12 engine with a displacement of 6.0 liters, capable of producing 621 horsepower and 738 pound-foot of torque. The car will have a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The S680 is also expected to feature advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated parking. In terms of design, the S680 is likely to feature a sleek, modern exterior with a long wheelbase and a spacious, luxurious interior. The cabin will be outfitted with high-quality materials and state-of-the-art technology, including a large infotainment screen, a premium audio system, and a range of comfort features, such as heated and ventilated seats, massaging functions, and more. The exterior of the car is expected to be sleek and modern, with a long wheelbase and a low-slung, aerodynamic body. It will likely have a distinctive grille with a Maybach emblem, and the car's lines will be sharp and angular, giving it a sporty and aggressive appearance. The interior of the S680 is expected to be spacious and luxurious, with high-quality materials and advanced technology throughout. The cabin will be designed with a focus on comfort and convenience, and the seats are likely to be plush and supportive, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. The car's dashboard will feature a large infotainment screen, which will control a range of features, such as navigation, climate control, and audio. There will likely be a range of other high-tech features available as well, such as a premium audio system, voice recognition, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Overall, the design of the 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 is expected to be both elegant and sporty, with a focus on luxury and comfort. Speed. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 is expected to be a high-performance luxury sedan. It will be powered by a V12 engine with a displacement of 6.0 liters, capable of producing 621 horsepower and 738 pound-foot of torque. The car is expected to have a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. With this powerful engine, the S680 is expected to have impressive acceleration and top speeds. However, as an AI language model, I don't have access to specific speed performance data beyond what is available at my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. The top speed and acceleration times of the 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 will likely depend on several factors, including the specific configuration, road conditions, and driving style. Enginette Pi. The 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 is expected to be powered by a V12 engine with a displacement of 6.0 liters. The engine is expected to produce 621 horsepower and 738 pound-foot of torque, making it a powerful and high-performance engine. As a luxury sedan, the S680 is likely to offer a smooth and refined driving experience, with the engine designed to provide effortless acceleration and power delivery. The engine is also likely to be equipped with advanced technologies, such as turbocharging and direct injection, to optimize performance and efficiency. Overall, the V12 engine is expected to be a major selling point of the 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680, offering both power and refinement for discerning drivers. As for the price, it is expected to be a high-end luxury vehicle, and the pricing details for the 2023 Mercedes Maybach S680 are not yet available. The cost will likely vary depending on the specific features and options chosen, as well as the location of purchase and other factors. You may want to contact a Mercedes-Benz dealer for more information, as they will be able to provide you with up-to-date pricing and availability details. These are few details. Kindly sit back and enjoy the flow of music and how the Mercedes Maybach S580 looks like.